Hello! In this video, you will learn how to add a payment gateway in Odoo to enable online transactions for your website. You can begin by logging into your Odoo account and navigating to the either website or e-commerce module. It depends on the version that you have, and you just gotta click on it and click configuration and then click apps. And once you're here, you can find the payment acquirer sections. However, if you do not have or if you cannot find the payment acquirers options, it is likely because you are using the free trial. However, if you have that option, then you can just go ahead and click payment acquirers and you can see there the available payment gateways. You can choose the payment gateway you want to activate, such as PayPal or Stripe, and click to configure it. Enter the required credentials like API keys or merchant details provided by the payment service. Once all information is added correctly, you can save your settings and enable the payment gateway. This will allow your customers to pay securely through your chosen methods. And that's all. Please like and subscribe if this helped.